Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see detail about norovirus, also called Norwalk virus. In this video, we includes introduction, its characters, structure, genome, pathogenesis, replication, signs and symptoms, and it's also diagnosis and treatment. Let's get into the video. We start from the introduction. Norovirus, also known as Norwalk virus, and sometimes refers to as winter vomiting disease. It is the most common of gastroenteritis, and in the virus classifications, this belongs to order Picornavirales, family Calcibiridae, genus Norovirus, and species belong to Norwalk virus. Its characters. Norovirus are genetically diverse group of single-stranded positive sense RNA, and it is an enveloped virus belongs to Calciviridae family. Norovirus can genetically be classified into 7 different groups. Most common that infect humans belongs to G1 Norwalk Desert Shield or Southampton virus, and G2 called Tornado or Mexico virus, which infect humans the most. Structure of virus. It is non-enveloped virus. The structure is icosahedral in nature and T1-T3 symmetry exhibits. The genomic arrangement is linear in nature. Capsid diameter varies from 23 to 40 nanometer, and the larger capsid exhibits 38 to 40 nanometer and 3-3 symmetry composed of 180 VP1 proteins. Smaller capsids 23 nanometer shows T1 symmetry and composed of 60 VP1 proteins. Its genome. It is linear in nature, non-segmented positive sense RNA and genome of 7.5 kb, encoding a large protein which cleaved into 6 smaller non-structural proteins. The major structural proteins of about 580 to 60 daltons. The most variable region of viral capsid is P2 dominant, which contains antigen presenting and carbohydrate receptor binding sites. In the diagram, we can see the parts of the virus. The capsid contains P1, P2 domain, and the genome ssRNA is linear in nature. The inner shell S domain and the viral protein VPG is contained. The pathogenesis. There are 7 steps involved in this replication. Primarily, the replication of norovirus starts in the small intestine. The incubation period of Norwalk virus is 12 to 48 hours. FUT2, which means fucosyl transferase fucose sugar. This is a compound which gastrointestinal cells and the salivary glands act as a receptor of the virus. Its replication. The host belongs to humans and mammals. It is a tissue trophism. It mainly attacks intestinal epithelial cells and enter by cell receptors endocytosis. Exit and release by lysis results cell death. Replication site is a cytoplasm, and assembly site of the virion is also a cytoplasm, and it's transmitted by oral fecal route. The signs and symptoms of norovirus. At acute phase, major sign is gastroenteritis. Also, nausea, watery diarrhea, abdominal pain. Others like general lethargy, weakness, muscle aches, headaches, low-grade fever. Also, established long-term infection in immunocompromised and immunosuppressed individuals like HIV patients and the transplant patients. In severe enteropathy, intestinal villus atrophy, and malabsorption occurs. Norovirus infection was diagnosed by specific techniques like PCR polymerase chain reaction, quantitative PCR assay, ELISA enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, use antibodies against a mixture of norovirus strains. Treatment and prevention. For norovirus, there is no specific medicine to treat. To avoid complication by measures such as management of dehydration caused by fluid loss in vomiting and diarrhea. To irrigate symptoms, use antidiarrheal tablets. Preventive measures should be hand washing and disinfectants, healthcare facilities, persistence, detection and food. Vaccine and references. To protect from norovirus infection, there are vaccine trials like bivalent for G1 and G2 infections, intramuscular vaccine had completed phase 1 trials made capsid of norovirus. I include references for this content. At last, I hope you may all understand the content. Thank you.